personal feedback has been really good from friends and family and people from the industry. It's very positive, and I just checked on YouTube. It's got more than 2 million hits for the kind of small film that is. It is 2 million hits is quite a, I think, remarkable thing. That's what people are telling me, and I don't know. I can't be objective about it. When I see it, I'm like, I don't know. मतलब खुद को देख रहे हैं ना, तो it's very difficult to be objective, and I have seen every possible cut of this film, but to sort of get this kind of attention from people and from the general public who are not from the industry also, you know, for them to sort of really enjoy it is very welcoming. It's very welcoming. It makes us feel really confident about our film.
I'm very excited, and the kind of feedback I've gotten is crazy because people are thinking it's a bold film as well as it's a naughty film. Then it's funny also. What is it exactly? People are really curious to find out, and I am as curious as they are. So that is what made me sign this film. This is out of the box, and this such character I've never portrayed before.
Guess who comes out of the
box? So yeah, and Radhika, Gulshan, I've known Radhika for many years, and Gulshan I had heard of, and I was a big fan. I still am. So yeah, all these things made me sign the film.
I'm super excited because A, it's with friends, and B, it's कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं हम. But no, I'm very excited because I personally really like the film a lot. It's really real and it's very simple, and the simplicity of, I mean, not simplistic, simplicity of the film, is what really I found the most, I mean, what really attracted me towards the film. The characters are so real. You actually see them everywhere. Like, I know your character. You know a few of them. I know a few of you. Or
really?
Me. Real life में. So I think it's very easy to connect. Also, इस फिल्म में कुछ ऐसे ड्रामा मतलब कैरेक्टर को होता है, ये सब बहुत रियल है. उनका जो भी होता है, उनके मिस्टेक्स, उनके फ्लॉज सब है, सब दिखता है. और यू नो, इवन द ट्रीटमेंट वाज वेरी रियलिस्टिक, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इट्स वेरी फनी, एंड नॉट फनी मतलब पर्पसली लाइक कॉमेडी, बट funny because life is funny. Every day there are funny moments, blah blah blah.
See, Vasu is a person जो वास लेता है ना, who smells the needs of a woman ना, उसको वासु कहते हैं. Basically a person who is a total Casanova. It's a very Mumbaikar term that is used. मतलब उनको वासु बुलाते हैं, मतलब वहाँ उसकी वासुगिरी चालू है. So which means he is a total Casanova, वो लगा हुआ है. So ऐसे लोगों को, ऐसे एक व्यक्ति को वासु कहते हैं.
Do you agree with it?
I'm sure women are also like that. So many women we know.
Yeah, but
Definitely no.
Yeah.
Vasu is not like
it's a
gender
term
specific
for,
term. Gender specific नहीं है, but I think it's generally used for men. But I think you guys can really, you know.
And also
change
it's
that.
used very negatively usually, I think, or very. But I don't think it's negative.
No, it's used with jealousy. People are usually jealous.
Yeah, but so there's a negativity, isn't it?
there's a lot of gossip in this world.
Exactly. So I just feel that
कामदेव के
somebody who
पुजारी है
fancies the other sex or the same sex or whatever.
Yeah.
But
See, some people's
constantly
favorite god
fancies.
is Krishna, some people's favorite god is गणपति. मतलब वासुओं का favorite god कामदेव. इसमें क्या गलती है? भगवान ही तो है ना यार, है ना?
हाँ भाई बराबर.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हंस क्यों रही है? हम लोग सीरियस पिक्चर बना रहे हैं, एक
Seriously,
मैसेज
sorry.
दे रहे हैं सोसाइटी
Yeah.
को. आप लोग ऐसे. Firstly, I had no idea what kind of response we would get, and so it was really nice and pleasant. Secondly, it's not a sex comedy. It's a comedy about a guy who loves having sex. So there's a difference over there. So I think if people are perceiving it as a sex comedy, I mean, we're okay with that. It's okay. I mean, whatever, you know, gets you off. But there is more to the story. There are love stories. It's a coming of age of Mandar Pungshe, who's the protagonist. So it's a comedy about a guy who loves having sex.
I personally feel it's not a comedy about that.
It's
just
not a
that,
comedy about
yeah, it's just that when in your life there's so many moments you basically fail or get rejected, or you know, things go wrong, and when you look at it from third perspective or in
Or when you look
retrospect,
back
exactly,
later.
it's funny, and which is why it's funny actually, and which is why it's simple, and which is why it's not a sex comedy, because actually women are not objectified at all in any way. They are just it's when you see the film you'll know about the trailer.
Yeah, and also, Vasu is a hunter. He's not a stalker. Please don't confuse between hunter and stalker.
Yeah,
हाँ?
exactly.
ना मतलब ना ही है, लड़की के हाँ में मतलब ना में हाँ नहीं है, ना ही है.
Or I also feel that, you know, we are all very easily react. So the trailer, why people perceive it as a sex comedy, I also feel there are lots of punchlines which are put together in a trailer, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's spread over. It comes in different situations. You don't know what they are. You just see them as a compact
They come
trailer in
together.
like 2 minutes.
Because we said
So-
chodu, na, that's why.
Exactly.
We say chodu. It's such a cute word. It's so cute. I feel like calling my kittens and my puppy. Hey, le chodu, aaja dudu pee le. It's such a cute word. मतलब ऐसे बुरा word कैसा है यार?
No, I mean, we use these words quite frequently in everyday life.
It's not been openly shown on the screen.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
might be the reason.
And once people watch the film, they'll know the way it's been treated and the way, you know, I've tried to put it. So I think anyway. So I play this girl called Trupti, and she again what people perceive she's not
That.
exactly that, but extremely real character. I feel that there's so many people like
She's the
Trupti
dream
around.
girl. She's the dream girl.
I don't know about that, but.
In the film, आप film देखोगे तो
हाँ,
समझ
exactly.
जाओगे
हाँ,
कि
but
you will-
yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I mean, so it's. I think they both are very simple, and I find her character very fascinating.
Oh.
Actually, it's the most.
She's
She's
like-
the most amazing character.
Oh, she's like a sizzler.
No, she,
On a plate.
she comes across as a cougar, but there's more to her story.
Oh, no, cougar.
Yeah,
Not
there's,
milf?
No, there's
sure?
more. Yeah, there's
तुम्हारा
more.
तो एक बच्चा भी है ना, बेटा?
हाँ, फिर
मतलब
भी
6-7
फिर
साल
भी
का। तो milf होगी ना?
ठीक है, मिल्फ एंड cougar दो both. हाँ, तो
Both?
both. So there's more to it. There's depth, और वो क्या है वो फिल्म के बाद ही पता चलेगी, और probably one stage later probably I would want to talk more, but right now she comes across as a cougar, but there's more to it.
I agree in the sense in the song, at least in the promotional song, we are three of us who
Yeah.
are in it, and it feels like he's somebody who's sort of trying his luck on all three women, but actually the three distinct stories, and I think even in the promo song it does come out. It's not just two people dancing. There's something you see that okay, there's a
some
background,
connection,
there's
yeah.
some connection,
No,
there
promo
is
song
some.
is about basically मतलब
No, but
वासुगिरी के
still you
नुस्खे.
see, but still you see that there is a story to each
Yeah.
character.
I know she's trying to
and,
intellectualize it, but it's okay. She's an intelligent person.
No,
She
I
has
just
every
find
right
that
to do that.
different from other like anyway. You know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.